Hey guys, this is a quick little announcement. So earlier today I uploaded a video that I'd done yesterday, but there were editing issues, and it's the one. I'll just go in here and show. Um, at the top one here. So astute commenters documenting stuff on the United States company. Astute commenters documented fallacy of Book of Mormon manifest destiny baloney LDS, which the LDS celebrate July 4th and July 24th. So in this video, I'm basically going over comments from this video down here, the one that says Dodger Dave. Dodger Dave fighting for your freedom against LDS and Branch Covidian oppression. So there's some really great comments here, which you can see. So you can go straight here, or I'm uploading right now. So it'll be up probably by 7 Eastern, 5 Mountain, 4 Pacific. A higher quality resolution of that, where you'll be able to read these comments, unless you just wanted to come over to this video and see what I'm reading. There's a lot of really great documented stuff regarding the ownership of the United States, real property, British and Vatican controlling interests, etc., documented in U.S. court cases. So anyway, the version of this top video here that says, astute commenters, whatnot, is going on the Mormon Truth Videos channel in the higher quality, so the resolution will be such that you can actually read along while I'm reading this, for those references and so forth that we're looking at reading the comments. So I'm just going to throw I'm going to throw the link to that in the description of this little announcement down below. Yeah, with other appropriate links. So thanks for all your support, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and hopefully I'll keep on surviving and sharing information that's useful. I'm currently in Michigan trying to dethrone the Empress, basically here, by eliminating the Emergency Powers Act of the governor of 1945, which is allowing Gretchen Whitmer, nice LDS 3 witnesses name, right, of David Whitmer and the Whitmer family. So very at the center of the beginning of Mormonism, right? Trying to see if we can help out some small business owners by restoring some semblance of legislative representative government in the legislature, even though they really are there to serve the company, not you, but trying to make a better life for us slaves, right? Thanks. Okay, I uploaded that video with all the links to the court cases and so forth. Not links, references. I uploaded it to Mormon Truth Videos channel, and I will put it in the I'll just put it down in the description here. It's been up since last night. Thanks.